Are you aware that every year, Americans use almost 12 million metric tons of soybean oil and an extra 1.7 metric tons of power oil? Despite our best efforts, oil always finds a way back into our life. Does that imply, however, that we have no other choice except to use the popular oil? Our health can be significantly impacted by the cooking oils we use. Certain oils can be harmful to human health, even if they have many health benefits. In today's video, we'll talk about the 7 best oils for your health and the 3 oils you should avoid at all costs. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Oleic acid, in particular, is one of the monounsaturated fats that make up the majority of extra virgin olive oil. It has been demonstrated that the oleic acid is useful in lowering inflammation and improving blood vessel function, both of which can lower blood pressure. Furthermore, research has demonstrated a link between eating a diet high in olive oil and a lower risk of coronary heart disease. Moreover, polyphenols, a class of strong antioxidants, are present in high concentration in extra virgin olive oil. The body's ability to produce polyphenols helps lessen oxidative stress, which in turn lowers the risk of chronic illnesses like cancer. Number 2. Flaxseed oil. Omega-3 fatty acids, or ELA, are found in abundance in flaxseed oil. These fatty acids are vital for good health and have been linked to advantages including less inflammation and enhanced skin and hair. Furthermore, lignans are present in flaxseed oil. The combination of lignin and ALA, which the body subsequently converts to DHA and EPA, has the ability to particularly inhibit the growth and kill certain cancer cells, indicating that it may have greater promise as an anti-cancer medication. The brain needs omega-3 fatty acids to function properly, and they may also improve cognitive wellness. Number 3. Canola oil. You may already be aware that eating a diet low in saturated fat increases the risk of heart disease by raising LDL, or bad cholesterol, and other risk factors. A higher risk of cardiovascular disease is linked to a larger concentration of LDL particles, since LDL is the body's primary carrier of cholesterol. Canola oil can help lower the risk of cardiovascular issues because it contains just 7% of saturated fat, a comparatively low amount. Number 4. Sesame oil. It is rich in antioxidants, sesame oil. It contains lignin as well as phytosterols include sesame and sesamolene. By aiding your body in the battle against free radicals, the substances can help reduce your chance of acquiring chronic illnesses like cancer and heart disease. Sesame oil has long been used in the medicinal practices of different cultures due to its anti-inflammatory qualities. Further proof of its positive health effects comes from the fact that it is used in traditional Taiwanese medicine to treat a wide range of conditions such as joint discomfort, toothaches, cuts, scrapes, premenstrual cramps, and more. Your hair may benefit also from the sesamolene and vitamin E in sesame oil. Number 5. Grapeseed oil. Because grapeseed oil has nutrients that promote overall health and improve skin, it is another popular oil choice. According to the findings of a study done on obese or overweight women, eating grapeseed oil helped with insulin resistance and inflammatory diseases. Because of this, grapeseed oil is a great option for cooking oil for people who have high blood sugar and obesity. Oils that you should avoid. Number 1. Trans fat oils. Trans fats, which are frequently present in oils that have been partially hydrogenated, have been connected to a higher risk of heart disease and other illnesses. Vegetable oils that are liquid are transformed into solid fats to make them. The detrimental effects of trans fats on heart health have been demonstrated by numerous studies. An elevated risk of ischemic stroke has been linked to trans fat consumption. When clots or fatty deposits accumulate in blood vessels, blocking blood supply to the brain, an ischemic stroke occurs. Trans fats can also cause inflammation within the body. Higher intakes of trans fats were linked to inflammatory indicators and a higher risk of many chronic conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and arthritis, according to research. Number 2. Coconut oil. Health professionals are concerned about coconut oil's possible effects on heart health due to its high saturated fat content. Remember that 82% of the fat content of coconut oil is made up of saturated fats, which are known to raise cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. This makes coconut oil unusually high in saturated fat. It has also been demonstrated that eating coconut oil increases levels of both good HDL and harmful LDL cholesterol. The rise in LDL cholesterol, especially the small, dense LDL particles, is concerning since they are linked to an increased risk of heart disease, even though the increase in HDL cholesterol may be considered advantageous. Number 3. Corn oil. Health professionals are concerned about corn oil's possible effects on health because of its greater omega-6 fatty acid content, particularly when ingested in excess. Additionally, corn oil is oxidable, and when it comes into contact with heat or light, it can produce dangerous free radicals. Because free radicals can harm DNA and cells, they may be a factor in aging and chronic illnesses. There is growing evidence that a diet richer in B-stain metabolic syndrome, causing omega-6 fatty acids, like those found in corn oil, may put one at risk for developing insulin resistance and high blood pressure. Your overall health may be significantly impacted by the cooking oils you choose to use. To benefit from all the health benefits that extra virgin olive oil, canola oil, and avocado oil have to offer, choose these types of oils. However, you should stay away from the utilizing oils like coconut oil and corn oil that contains trans fats. Furthermore, cooking oil alone might not have a significant effect on your health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Will you be more conscious before picking an oil for yourself in the future? You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching.